Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the essentials: a guardian with a Google account, family link installed, and your device ready. First, ask the guardian to open Family Link and add you as a supervised child. Once added, make sure you sign into your Google account on your device. Then open Google Pay and choose the option to set up a teen or supervised account. This triggers guardian approval for payments. These steps establish permissions, so you can link payment methods securely and legally. Next, you link and verify payment. The guardian will approve the Google Pay request and add a debit card or bank to their Google Pay wallet for shared use. Once they add it, make sure they complete verification, usually a small microdeposit or code, and then approve your access. While approving, set clear spending limits and notifications. You can request weekly budgets. Also verify merchant restrictions so purchases match agreed rules. This keeps control transparent and prevents unexpected charges. Finally, start using Google Pay within the permissions set by your guardian. You tap to pay or send money when prompted for a PIN or biometric. Make sure the guardian-approved card shows as selectable. Regularly review transactions in Google Pay and Family Link and adjust budgets or pause permissions if needed. If something fails, first check app updates, connectivity, and that the guardian completed verification. If a micro deposit wasn't confirmed, reinitiate verification. Most problems trace to approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.